Hey guys, Crash here. I want to show you how to get your favorite Super Hero MMO loaded up on your Raspberry Pi. First, you'll want to download Twister OS. Links will be in the comments, as usual. For this tutorial, I'm going to assume you already know how to burn an SD card for the Raspberry Pi. As you see, I'm on my Raspberry Pi. There's only a couple things that you'll need to do on this end to get started. The Twister OS allows you to change the theme. I like using the XP theme because it gives you this really awesome search bar that will help you get through a lot of different things. So go ahead and click the start bar, and then this little menu will come up and you can start typing things. The first thing we want to adjust is some of our Wine configs and install some extra programs with Wine. So go ahead in the search bar, type in Wine, W-I-N-E. You're looking for the Wine configuration. When you click on it, it will automatically start to install things, and it will ask you if you want to install them. Just click yes on everything that it asks. Once it's done, this window will pop up. You can mess around with your settings and do everything, but you can just leave it alone and close it. Second, you'll want to do some overclock settings. As with all overclock settings, make sure you have a fan and a heatsink. We're going to look up Commander Pi. Go ahead and click the overclock settings. Say OK. You'll want to change it to the recommended settings that are listed there, 2606. Now remember to click the little green check marks, click each one, and then click apply and reboot and let the Pi reboot. I'm not going to, because I already have mine preset. Now the last thing you'll want to do is go to my GitHub. Links, of course, will be in the description of the video. Once you get there, go ahead and read through. You want to know what you're getting into. If you go down to the manual section, it will tell you everything that this automated is setting up. So all you have to do is come down and copy this line and copy it into your terminal. After you copied it, go ahead and open a terminal, paste it in, and press enter and watch the magic. I'm going to have to close it because I can't show anything. So let's kind of go over what it's doing. Yep, it's still doing its stuff. That's good. So if you scroll down further past my automated install, you'll see that there's a manual install, and it's telling you exactly everything that the automated is doing, and you can do it yourself. Additional settings, etc., etc. So what I did was I adjusted Penguin Rocks to look for the wine, the custom wine that is on Twister OS, and to launch the custom wine on Twister OS. I just changed this. After about 20 to 35 minutes, depending on your internet connection, you'll be greeted with that loading screen. Can't let it go on any further, so I'll just close it. You'll also have two icons on your desktop, one to launch and one to update. The update will open up a window and show you and verify and tell you if there's any problems. And the other icon will straight launch the program. Go ahead and click it, give it a few minutes, and you should be in game. Have fun. Game on. And that's it. Hope to see you guys online sometime.